Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract money effortlessly, while others work just as hard and yet remain stuck, struggling paycheck after paycheck? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's not even intelligence. It's principles. Because money doesn't respond to emotion, wishes, or effort alone. Money responds to behavior, discipline, and mindset. And here's the truth most people never hear. Money is not just earned. Money is learned. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 timeless principles of money. The same principles wealthy people live by quietly every single day. Master these, and money will stop running away from you and start flowing toward you. Let's begin. 1. Money loves purpose. Money doesn't stay with those who don't know what to do with it. If you don't tell money where to go, it disappears. Fast. Think about the last time you got extra cash. Where did it go? Most people can't answer that. Wealthy people always can. Because every dollar has a mission, a destination, a job. Before you spend, ask, is this moving me closer to the life I want or further away? Purpose attracts money. Confusion repels it. 2. Spend less than you earn. Always simple. Yes. Easy? Number. In a world where people flex money they don't have on things they don't need to impress people who don't care, discipline is a superpower. Wealth doesn't come from earning more. It comes from keeping more. You can't build wealth if everything you earn goes right back into the world. Saving is not weakness. Saving is power. Saving is freedom. 3. Make money. Work for you. You work hard for money. The wealthy make money work even harder for them. Investing beats saving. Assets beat expenses. Ownership beats labor. Stocks, real estate, index funds, online businesses, skill-based income. The vehicle matters less than the discipline. Let your money earn its own money, even while you sleep. Because if your money isn't working, you'll spend your life working. 4. Be patient. Wealth is quiet and slow. We live in a microwave world, but wealth is built in a slow cooker. Quick money is loud, flashy, and temporary. Real money is quiet, boring even, but permanent. You don't plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. You water it, you protect it, you nurture it. Then it grows. Patience isn't waiting. Patience is building. 5. Protect your money. Making money without protecting it is like trying to fill a bucket full of holes. Avoid impulse spending, high-interest debt, emotional financial decisions, too good to be true schemes. The rich don't take big risks. They take calculated risks. Your first job is not to grow money. Your first job is to not lose it. 6. Increase your value. Money follows value, not effort. Instead of saying, I need more money, ask, how can I become more valuable? Develop rare skills. Learn constantly. Improve daily. Make yourself someone who solves problems. The market rewards value. Always. Grow yourself, and your income will follow. 7. Treat money with respect. Money goes where it's respected, not wasted. Track it, budget it, understand it. Money is not emotional. It doesn't care about your excuses or your feelings. If you take care of money, money will take care of you. Remember, money isn't the goal. Freedom is. Money is the tool that builds it. Money is not your enemy. Money is not impossible. Money is a skill, and skills can be learned. You don't have to be born rich. You don't need connections. You don't need to be a genius. You just need discipline, patience, and principles. Master these 7 principles, and your future will never look the same again. If this message inspired you, subscribe to MoneyPath, because we're here to help you build wealth, think smarter, and create the life you deserve. One disciplined decision at a time. Until next time, take control of your money and take control of your life.